We will continue with the input redirection. So using the left angular bracket symbol, it is used for standard input redirection. Using the less than sign with a file name like this, less than file1 is a shell command, instructs the shell to read input from a file called file1 instead of from the keyboard. Now for example, cat sample.txt, content of sample.txt I want to display, I have displayed here. Content of sample.txt is standard input, can be redirected. It can come from a file or a pipeline. Now suppose I want to redirect the content of sample.txt, we can use this command. So sample.txt command I use and redirected to the command called wc. So wc, using this one. So wc command, it will work on contents of sample.txt. See, it had worked. So it had counted the number of lines, number of words and number of characters, and it had displayed. So this is the output. Now, for example, you can see one screenshot I have shared for output redirection. ls minus l. ls minus l, what is this? It display all the files with 7 attributes in the current working directory. So it will, and using the right angular bracket, contents of all the files will be redirected to the listings. So here contents of ls minus l we are not displaying on the screen or monitor. We are sending it into the another file called list. Now suppose ls minus al listing. So all the output of ls minus al command has been transferred to redirected to listing. Now we want to see the content of listing. You can use the command cat listing and you can see this one. This is one. So instead of displaying output on the screen, we are displaying it in another file. Note. Use the correct file name while redirecting command output to a file. If there is an existing file with the same name, the redirected command will delete the contents of that file and then it may be overwritten. Suppose you are redirecting contents of a file in another file and another file is already existing, then the content of another file will be overwritten. If you do not want a file to be overwritten but want to add more contents to an existing file, then you should use double angular bracket operator. Now suppose cat sample. The content of sample is hang on for the best Linux lesson. Now only one line is there. Now echo thanks for reading. I have written something thanks for reading and I want a double redirected to the sample. So what will happen? This will be added extra in the content of sample, cat sample. So hang, so first line was already, it was there, existing line, hang on for the best Linux lesson, and the whatever next line we have written, thanks for reading, that will be added here. That's all. Now here if a single right angular bracket is there, then you cannot see this hang on for the best Linux lesson. it will be overwritten by the thanks for the reading. Now some more example you can see. Cat redirected to sample.txt. Whatever cat we have written ABC. So ABC has been shifted to the sample.txt. Next, cat sample.txt. I want to display the content of sample.txt. It is ABC. Cat angular bracket sample.txt. Again I am writing DEF. Now DEF will be transferred to sample.txt. Instead I can say that ABC will of ABC content of sample.txt will be overwritten to DEF. Now you want to see cat sample.txt, it is a DEF. Now if you had written here double angular bracket, so ABC will be there and DEF will also come as a extra. So next is standard error. Each of the three standard files is represented by a number called a file descriptor. So we three types of standard files we saw: standard input, standard output, and standard error. So each file will have it will be represented some integer number that is called file descriptor. And kernel means a table of file descriptor. In the kernel, the file descriptor will be stored in the form of table. The first three slots are generally allotted to the three standard files: 0 is standard input, 1 is standard output, and 2 is standard error. When you enter an incorrect command or try to open a non-existing file, certain diagnostic message show up on the screen. Suppose an incorrect command you have typed, then a error message will be displayed on the screen. Or suppose you want to open an non-existent file, then also error message will be occur. So this is the standard error stream whose default destination is the terminal. So it can be transferred to the standard error file. Any error which has occurred because of non-existence of the file or typing incorrect command. Now for example, you can see trying to cat non-existent file produces the error. Now suppose cat foo. Now foo file is not there. I am trying to open a non-existent file. Then what will happen? Cat cannot open foo. So this command we cannot open foo. So we can redirect the stream to a file. So this output can be redirected to a file. So cat foo, if suppose this file is not present, that error message will be there, that will be transferred to error file. Now cat cannot open file. Similarly, cat foo 2 redirected to error file. So I want to see, so here 2 is nothing but it is the file descriptor of error command, error file, the standard error file. So contents of, if any error, suppose foo is not present and you want to open, then that error message will be displayed using this descriptor, error file descriptor, which is 2. The error message will be transferred to error file. Now you want to see the content of error file, you can write cat error file. So cat cannot open file. So the error message which was supposed to be displayed on the screen, it has been transferred to error file. We can also append the output. Using the double character, you can append the output as like previous. Next one is a pipe. Connecting commands. Pipe. What is pipe? Pipe is also called a connecting command. It will act as a mediator between two commands.